The Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8550 is a premium, wide-format, all-in-one inkjet printer designed for photo lovers, creators, and small businesses who want stunning color output with ultra-low running costs. It combines professional-grade photo printing with modern connectivity and everyday productivity features. Refillable ink tank technology. The ET-8550 uses Epson's cartridge-free EcoTank system, replacing traditional cartridges with high-capacity ink bottles. This design delivers vibrant, highly detailed photos while significantly reducing ink costs over time. Refilling is clean, simple, and economical, perfect for high-volume photo and color printing. Wide-format photo and color printing. This printer is built for creativity, capable of producing dynamic photos, brochures, worksheets, and informational flyers with exceptional color accuracy. With support for wide-format printing, it's ideal for photographers and designers who want gallery-quality results at home or in a studio. Fast and efficient performance. With print speeds of up to 16 ppm black and 12 pp color, the ET-8550 handles large print jobs efficiently without compromising quality. It's well-suited for both everyday documents and high-resolution photo output. All-in-one convenience beyond printing, the ET-8550 includes a built-in scanner and copier, making it a versatile, all-in-one solution. Whether you're digitizing photos, copying documents, or managing creative projects, everything is handled in one compact device. Advanced connectivity options. Enjoy flexible connectivity with Wi-Fi, 802.11b GNAAC, Ethernet, and USB support. This allows seamless printing from multiple devices across your home or office network, ensuring reliable access from anywhere. Mobile and cloud printing support. The printer supports Epson Smart Panel, Epson Print Layout, Epson Creative Print, Apple AirPrint, Android Printing, and Mopria Print service. With Epson Connect solutions like Email Print, Remote Print, and Scan to Cloud, you can print and scan directly from your smartphone or tablet. Smart touchscreen and voice control. A large 4.3-inch colorful touchscreen makes navigation intuitive and user-friendly. The ET-8550 also supports voice-activated printing via Siri, Epson Connect, and Amazon Alexa, adding hands-free convenience to your workflow. Overall, the Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8550 is a powerful, cost-effective, and feature-rich printer that delivers professional photo quality, modern wireless convenience, and long-term savings, making it an excellent choice for creatives and productivity-focused users alike.